What's happening, YouTube? Man, my poor old garage is just jammed with stuff. I feel like I'm never ever going to make a dent in getting through some of these things. But that's not why I'm making the video. I wanted to make the video to talk about a company that I just had a really good experience with. They are called MTO Battery. And the reason that I'm sharing this is because I've got, before all the impact drivers were all the rage, I've got this little snap-on quarter inch, it's just a little, basically a powered screwdriver almost, and it takes these little 7.2 volt batteries, the model CTB5172. And I was thinking, so I've got several of these batteries. I've got 3 of them. 2 of them stopped working, and they're old. Clearly, it's an old system. I was like, well, I'll just go on eBay. I'll pick up a couple, and then I started looking at what was on here, and I was like, whoa, $50 for a battery for not even a new one. Works perfectly mint, good battery, $45. I'm like, what are you all smoking? Good battery, pre-owned, $48. I'm like, there is no way. I mean, this battery is not that, it's not that big. It's just because it's got the Snap-on name, I'm pretty sure. So I was Googling around to see if I could buy the parts to just rebuild it myself, and I came across a good old MTO Battery, where they said they were going to be able to do a rebuild of my batteries for basically about $25, not even, $24.15 per battery. If you break it down that way, it's a $20 per battery service charge, and then $8.30 to ship them back to you. And when they rebuild these batteries, they put all new guts in it, and then supposedly better cells than what they originally came with. And I decided to just go ahead and give them a shot. I'll bring up their website here so you get a little better view. Instead of just reading off my email, I just wanted to show you that so you could see exactly what I paid for this. Instead of paying $50 for one battery that is not rebuilt, you can pay basically the same price and get 2 of them rebuilt professionally. And I know that these batteries aren't like super hard to do. You just pop off this cap and then the cells slide out. But just buying the cells would have cost me more than $20 per battery to do. Let's just see, power tool battery building service. Try to walk through this real quick. Let's go to the little Snap-on here, and then just kind of go through here. Here's the CBT 5172. Now it says $25, but that might be if you're doing one. Let's see. Let's go to 2. Or maybe I just happen to catch on a sale, or well, all right. It's $50 now. So I don't know if I had a code. I don't think I did. But even at $50 plus the $8 shipping, you're still money ahead of doing it on your own. And I set these in on a Wednesday afternoon, and I got them back the next week, following Thursday, in the mail. So an 8-day turnaround to have these rebuilt, and they work perfectly. And it saves this this little tool for another few years, because even though it's old and janky, I love this thing. I use it for mainly under the hood, doing removing covers and core support hardware and whatever, because it's surprisingly powerful. And I've had it for a long time, a gift from my dad several years ago. But if you're looking to not spend an arm and a leg on janky used batteries, just get them rebuilt. MTO Battery is the way to go.